Hey guys, this is Aaron. Welcome to our Rose Morning video again. Today is a tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to install our hot flower arch. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the step 1, we will install our base. First, we will get 2 arches like this and 2 another arches like this. The first step, we need to stand the 2 arches, stand them up, and then we insert another 2 into the hole. You need to use this button so that this arch can be inserted smoothly. Okay. Then we'll finish this step. Please twist the button to make it fasten. We'll finish the step 1. The step 2, we need to finish this arch. We get 2 arches like this. Yeah, we got 2 this like this. The first, we need to contact them. We need to contact them like this shape. Okay. We will give you some additional screws. You can connect them with the screws. Yes. Okay, cool. Okay. Then, when you finish, we just insert them, connect them with the base together. Yeah. You need to use this button so that it can be inserted smoothly. Yes. Yeah. Then, just the same as before, twist it to make it fasten. Okay, right now the half of the arch has been finished. Right now, the step 4, we need to finish the rest of our flower arch. So for the step 4, there is very important thing you need to notice that when we get those arch, you need to notice that the both sides of those arch, they are not same. And if you are carefully enough, you will find that this side is a little bit straight, but for this side, it's curved. So when you install this arch, you need to make sure that the straight side should be connected with the arch already there, and the curved side should be used for connecting with the top arch. Yes. So right now, let's do the step 4. Okay. Now I will show you how to install the next step. The last step is also step 5. We install the top arch and connect it with others. So you need to connect these sides together. These sides just like this shape. You need to connect them together. Yes. And we'll finish. You just connect it with the arch already done. Okay, in the box you will find a very helpful tool like this. It can be used for fasten the screws. It will be very helpful, and it can help you save a lot of energy and save a lot of time. So with it can fasten, it can fix the screw very tightly.